The Nothing Phone 3 has surfaced in a newly leaked render, showcasing a design that has sparked a variety of opinions among enthusiasts. The phone is anticipated to make its debut next month, and it presents a notable departure from its earlier models. The iconic glyph interface lights that were once a staple are now absent. In their place, Nothing seems to be choosing a dot matrix display on the back, which interestingly is not very clear in this image. Since it would be hidden, the camera's position or distribution isn't very clear of this type of display on the back. The camera design varies as well. Here we have 3 cameras on the back arranged in a triangular pattern. It's somewhat like the iPhone, but these are centered and one of the cameras has an oval shape, which is likely the telephoto lens. While a design generally keeps the transparent aesthetics that Nothing is known for, it also exposes the screws, maintaining that unique look. And giving off an industrial vibe, it seems that moving away from the glyph interface might be a somewhat controversial choice. However, we'll understand how it resolves this once we observe the new dot matrix display in action. This device is anticipated to be a fully developed flagship, featuring a Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, a 6.77-inch LTPO AMOLED display, and 50-megapixel sensors for the cameras. Furthermore, this might be the initial Nothing phone to be released with Android 16. Reports suggest its launch could happen on July 1st, alongside a brand new Nothing fully open format headset. What do you think about this fresh appearance without the user interface?